Kainta, that's Stacy Gabriel.
Ay, wow! Grabe ha! So far sa mga designs, it doesn't lack details.
Ang ganda ng pagkaka-move nung yung sa bandang chest part. Like, this is kind of chandelier na ilalagay ko sa aking dream house. Like, it's very pretty.
Reminds me of cherry blossoms. Ganyan.
Underneath, they are rooted in resilience that speaks to the strength of their soul.
Ay, wow! Yung complexity ng designs ha.
And yung very personal. And then yung niya, yung nasa gitna na siya I felt that, yung ganun. Wow. Hindi, naramdaman ko talaga yun. And kudos talaga kay Stacy for having this concept. Sana meron siyang kinalaman sa concept kasi Kainta is an urban area na rin siya, di ba? Hindi siya yung masasabi mo na may dagat, may flora, rich talaga, sobrang rich ng flora and fauna. Pero she pulled it off perfectly na meron pa rin siyang na-offer and palaban talaga siya.
Mukha siyang bouquet of flowers.
Bouquet of flowers na paulit-ulit kong bibilihin.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Na social na pagkaka-arrange, gano'n.